guys a little dairy-free update. To be honest, going really well, surprisingly well. But I think that has a lot to do with that prior to doing this, I was already restricting my dairy. I barely ate any cheese at all. Pretty much heavy cream was the only dairy that I ate daily. Cheese was kind of a treat every now and then, but I would say I maybe ate cheese 2-3 times a month. So I'd already cut way back on my dairy. So it's not like I went from eating cheese all the time and having heavy cream in my coffee to not having any of that stuff. I'd already started the progression towards dairy-free because of my Hashimoto's, but honestly, giving it up had nothing to do with Hashimoto's. It had to do with my face, but it's going really well. Also, this is healing much faster and my skin looks better already. So there's that. Is this a coincidence? Maybe. Or maybe it has to do with me giving up the heavy cream. I don't know. We shall see how the rest of this time as a dairy-free person goes. But right now, I'm doing okay. Like I told you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, the coffee is the thing that I was most concerned about because heavy cream in my coffee is my jam, okay? So I had to find an alternative. I have found one so far that I like pretty good, and I have another alternative on the way. Maybe it comes today. That would be awesome. But I will show you how I've been making my hot coffee. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's go see how to make this dairy-free coffee that I am consuming without complaining, too much. When I saw this coffee cup, I had to get it, and I want to share it with you because I love it. Ray Dunn. Which I'm not a huge Ray Dunn fan. I have a few cups, but I'm not somebody who hunts it or anything like that. But oh my gosh, it came with one that has moons on it and one that has a sun on it. So it was a set. And shout out to my friend Chrissy for sending this to me when she saw it because she knew I was gonna have to have this. This is my favorite coffee cup right now. Anyways, I just rewashed it because I want to drink out of it. Moons. Obsessed. Okay, get to the coffee, Nisha. Okay, I'm getting to the coffee. I use Nespresso pods. I love them very much. I did an entire review over this coffee machine. So if you want to hear all my thoughts on it, I'll link that video in the description too. All right, so it takes it a second to wake up. While we're waiting for it to wake up, an egg. Yes, an egg. Crack my egg. An entire egg, okay? Now, you could just use the yolk, and it does good with just the yolk as well, but it's not as frothy as when you use the whole egg. So then, I take my handy dandy milk frother, stick it in here, I whisk it to death, all right? You want it to get all the way mixed up. You don't want to have any slimy clumps in there. You want it scrambled really well. See in there. You see how it looks, all right? If you don't think it's frothed enough, froth it some more. You can't over froth it. This is awkward. Then, as the coffee brews into this, and if you don't have an espresso, then just pour it slowly. But as it comes into the cup, you're gonna froth it some more. Now, here's where it gets real fun. This is chocolate electrolyte mix from LMNT. I actually need to order some more of this because I think this is my last packet. It's got salt, it's got potassium, it has magnesium, all the good things. Whoop. It's great. It is salty, okay? So if you don't like salty taste, then you may not like this. I love it. The sweetener that they use is stevia. So it's fine, good ingredients. We're not gonna use the whole entire packet, okay? No. All right, so I put about, I would say, I don't know, 1/4 of a teaspoon in there, something like that. Maybe less, maybe more. You can put as much as you like. Just start with a little. You can always add more. And then I mix it up. Look how frothy that is, y'all. That's just egg. And then I spoon off the top because it's a little too foamy for me. Like I almost can't get to the coffee. So then I just spoon off the very top. See how much? That's a lot of foam. So I take off that top layer and then I can get to the coffee. Very tasty. So give this a try and let me know how you like it. I think it's an awesome alternative. I'm still on the hunt for even more alternatives, so you know, stay tuned to more videos because I'm trying it all. So I was just editing and I realized I didn't actually say goodbye to you guys. Hope you enjoyed this little update on dairy free, and I'll be doing another What I Eat in a Day vlog this coming week, and I will see you then. Have a good weekend. Love you. Mean it.